And we next take a look at sustainable growth of Vietnam as global markets tighten their green requirements. Sustainable transformation is becoming a matter of survival for export-driven businesses. In Vietnam, the question now is how to help them maintain the green growth momentum and keep attracting new green capital. Let's find out.
In 2025, newly registered FDI capital in high-tech, electronics, and new materials surged, contributing significantly to the sector's more than 32% growth, showing Vietnam's rising appeal as a green investment destination. However, many FDI firms still face bottlenecks, especially in supporting industries, where they must balance costly green upgrades against existing technical limitations.
Green transitions helps us cut operating costs, but there are still constraints. We also face difficulties with automation and modernization because repairing such equipment here is still limited in capacity.
Experts say Vietnam is moving firmly toward its COP26 commitments, while global markets demand stronger sustainability. This makes the green investments of FDI firms an advantage Vietnam must actively leverage, especially now, as regulatory changes like the two-tier local government model and new carbon emission standards require businesses to have more time to adapt. Supporting pioneering FDI firms is crucial to reduce risks and sustain green growth.
We must promptly negotiate and find support mechanisms so FDI firms can stay strong in Vietnam. Early adopters always face more challenges and disadvantages. If we do not seize these moments, we will fall behind in meeting green standard markets and miss out on green capital now flowing globally.
We must fully recognize international requirements, especially from major global corporations. Their green export standards provide a foundation that supports Vietnam's sustainable investment direction. Companies like Samsung and Unilever has vast global markets and already operate in Vietnam while meeting green criteria, and this is an advantage we must use.
To become a regional green manufacturing hub, Vietnam must urgently unlock renewable energy mechanisms, expand green finance and credit, and upgrade smart industry infrastructure.